was so nice to see everyone at our morning meeting today. We talked a little bit about what day it is. It is Earth Day. So today I figured that we would do an art project that had to do with recycling and reusing some things around our house. So I found an egg carton in my recycling bin. Do any of you have a recycling bin at home? I think you probably do. In the bin, you might find some newspaper or some plastic bottles or some glass bottles and some egg cartons. So I have been eating a lot of eggs, and if you eat eggs too, you might have one of these at your house. So today I'm going to do a little project with the egg carton that you can hang up on your wall or you can send to someone. So as you can see, I cut off the top. I'm going to put this to the side, and now I have one bottom where the eggs used to go, right? And then I have the other ones that I cut up so they look like little circles. So for my first project, I thought about what animal I can make this into. And I was thinking, we're learning a song about butterflies and caterpillars, so I thought I'm gonna make this into the very hungry caterpillar. So let's get started. I have some watercolor here. I'm gonna be using that paint today, but you can use any paint at home. You can even color it with marker or crayons or anything. And I'm gonna paint my caterpillar green. But there's definitely other caterpillar colors out there, right? Maybe your caterpillar is going to be orange, or maybe it's going to be red. And you can also paint this to another kind of animal. This also could remind me of a snake, right? Or maybe it's not even an animal at all. Maybe it'll be a bus. And I can paint it yellow, or it can be a city bus, and it could be blue. It could be anything you want. So I'm gonna paint this green for my caterpillar, and then maybe I'll put it next to a plant and pretend that it's a real caterpillar, or I can even add some legs. I wonder how many legs caterpillars have. I think they have a lot, right? So I'm going to finish painting this. And then I'll show you the next project I'm going to use with the other part of the egg carton that I cut up. And as you can see, I'm working on some newspaper, which I also found in my recycling bin. Oh, looks like my caterpillar is almost all green. Okay. So I'm going to put this to the side to let it dry. Okay, so now I'm going to take my other side of the egg carton that I cut up. And let's count how many circles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to think, what can I make with these 6 circles? So usually I'm pretty hungry, so I think about food sometimes, and I thought about how I can make these into some fruit on a big tree. So I'm going to put these down on my paper, and I'm going to color them or paint them orange because I want them to be oranges on a tree. But I also could have done red apples. I could have done maybe some grapes hanging from a vine. They could be anything you want. And then when I'm done painting them, I can glue them onto my paper and I can finish coloring in my tree, maybe with a brown trunk. And then I'll make it have some green leaves. Boop, 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 boop. And then I will glue them onto my paper. And I can have my very own tree in my room or on my fridge. Okay, friends, so let me know what projects you do today for Earth Day. Maybe you'll draw or paint the earth. Maybe you'll plant some seeds outside, or maybe you'll do a project with something that you found in your recycling bin. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.